Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and I hope that you will join me. This week, my trip to Dollar Tree, I found a few new items, and let me show you what I found. Let's start with the decorative mesh. I picked up some of the Easter decorative mesh. I picked up the violet, the yellow, and the blues. And I picked up 4 each. And let me show you right quick what they look like. I've been wanting this since I saw it online. Can't really tell, but see, it's a very faint color. So that's the violet one. Here is the blue one. See there? They're very soft colors. So if you want the color to show up really well, you'll have to like double line it. Look at that. I like them. They're so cute. And then I picked up some ribbon also. I found this ribbon. These are the Crafter Square also. And let's see, the decorative mesh is Crafter Square. So I picked up the, what do you call it, the neutral color with the script on there. Look at that. Really cute, right? I like this. I picked up I picked up 8 of these ribbons. And then I found the small ones. These are the 5/8 ones, and also by Crafter Square. I picked up only one because this is all they had. I picked up the egg one. I like that one. It's really cute. And I picked up 2 of the bunny footprints. Really cute, right? I like them. They go really well together. Look at that. Isn't that a really cute combination? And then even on the, look at that. So I want to work all this together when I make my bow. I just think it will turn out really, really cute. I also picked up 2 of these Easter garlands. I like this blue pattern. Look at it, has the white and the blue gingham, and it's twined in there with the blues. Really nice. I want the bunnies, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the bunnies off, but I'm still using the garland on my tree. I'm going to put up an Easter tree and use that on there. I have a 4-foot white tree that it will look excellent on. And next I picked up 2 of these material. I like them because they have a butterfly pattern, and I can use this material on whatever I want. I can even cut out the patterns. Look at that. See, if you cut out the butterflies, you can reuse the butterflies in anything. Look at that. It's such a pretty little color on these butterflies, isn't it? I like it. That's why I picked up 2. I also found a magnet. Look at this. It's so cute. This is by Greenbrier. Look at that. I love my tea, and I found this. They made it just for me. I know they did. It says, "You're terrific." So this is going on my refrigerator. So cute. And then I picked up this notebook. It is by Jot. I love the colors on this, is why I picked it up. Look at this. And it is refillable. So once I finish using the notes in here, see how you can just slide it out. Isn't that a cute idea? So, and then I can just refill it with some new notepads. And there it is. I like this. It's really cute. It's a really crafty idea. Thank you, Dollar Tree. And then I picked up one of these. This is a squirrel feeder. And it is by Wild Bird. Designed by Nature, it says. And it's distributed by Southern Sales and Marketing Group, Inc. in Villa Rica, Georgia. So it is designed to go against a post like this, you know, and your squirrel can sit right here. You can put a corn here for your squirrel and they can eat it off of there. But I bought 3 of these. What I want to do with one of them is put a bird feeder on there. I know birds like sitting on horses too, so that'll work. And it comes with the little post here. I was thinking to glue maybe a small plate. Oh, let me show you. Hold on. Empty my bowl here. Oops. I have this cute little bowl I found at a thrift store one year. And I can take a bowl like this and then just glue it on like that and then put some bird seeds in there. Well, I'm sure the squirrels will get to it too, but still, it's going to be, I'm going to attempt to make one for the birds too. It's really cute. I like these. I picked up some books also. This is the Tales from Lovecraft Middle School book series. This is number 2. I picked up one, oh, let's see, it was about a substitute teacher, I think it was called. And I found this one this time. Can you see? Okay, let's see, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that great? It'll be just fantastic for Halloween. I like the holographic. And here's the inside cover. And of course you get all the pictures in there with the story. I bought 2 of these. One is going in my library and the other ones will go in my crafting box. So there's other ones too. Look at that. Eventually I will, find more of the series. So hopefully Dollar Tree will bring out the other series in this book. It'll be a nice collection. I also picked up this one. This is Brave New Girl. This is How to Be Fearless, and it is by Lou Hamilton. Oh, did I forget to tell you who wrote this book? This is by Charles Gilman of the Slither Sisters, in case you're wondering. So this one, the Brave New Girl, I like this one. I was reading this in the store and it has some cute little stuff in there. Look at this. You get a little image here and then it gives you a little poem. Aim for the moon. Look at this one. Be infinite. Isn't that cute? So if you see one of these, pick it up. Look at this. She's right there. It says reach for the stars. How cute, right? Make your way to the top, Hollywood. It's like the whole book is like this. It's very cute. And it is by, let's see, sourcebooks.com. Regular price $12.99 US. I paid $1.25 for these. And then I also picked this one up. This is, oh, sorry. Let me open this right quick. This book, it caught my eye because, first of all, it's red. And then it has the gold gilding on the edge. And look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So it is actually, it looks like a designer's book, right? Because you got the, you know, the designer bags there. And yeah, I kind of read through this, and it kind of mentions like Neiman Marcus and bathtubs and mermaids and all that kind of stuff. So I'm thinking it's a designer book. So let's take a look. It says 50 years of fantasy gifts from the Neiman Marcus Christmas book. Look at that. His and her camel. So if you don't know what to get your loved one for this coming Christmas, here you go. His and her camel. Just what you need in your backyard, right? Oh goodness, look at this custom suit of armor. It's only going to cost, well, back in 2004 it was $20,000. That is funny. Oh, look at this one. An Black Angus steer. Oh my goodness, that is funny. Sure, let me just get you a big Angus steer or cow for you. Oh, sorry. I have to stop for a minute because I just found that too funny. So, a Black Angus steer for your loved one. Don't know what to get your hubby for Christmas? Here we go. Oh my goodness, look. His and her Beechcraft planes. Oh my goodness, this is fun. Oh no. Look at this. His and her bathtub, side by side. Oh my goodness, this is funny, right? Oh look. Oh look. His and her twike. Oh goodness gracious. That is funny. Well, if you need, like the book says, you need a new gift. Oh, it doesn't just have to be for Christmas. Oh my goodness. Alright, that was fun, right? I am glad to be able to show you the few items that I picked up on my trip to the Dollar Tree this week. And I hope that I gave you some ideas today also of what you may want to pick up when you stop by your local Dollar Tree. Well, I am glad that the Crafter Square ribbons came in for Easter. So I really like that pattern on there. And of course they have so many new fabrics coming in now. You know, and I did not pick them all up. I mean, they're all so cute, the new ones coming in. You got plain pastel colors, you got tie-dye, you got fruits, you have children prints. Oh my goodness, There's quite a lot coming out. And well, take a trip to your local Dollar Tree and take a look at all the fabrics that they have. Thank you for stopping by to watch my haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.